hier sind wir wieder bei einer neuen Folge von Batman The Telltale Series, Episode 2. Kinder von Arkham. So, wir haben einen Mord von Falcone zum Aufklären und diese Person hier ist die Übeltäterin. Die ist die Person, die Falcone erschossen hat. Und wir sind hier als Bruce Wayne unterwegs. Und ja, wir haben natürlich die Spielereien von Batman irgendwie lustigerweise immer dabei. Und können jetzt hier sie mal ein bisschen untersuchen. Und diese Stelle hier und das so um den Mund herum, das ist mir vorhin schon aufgefallen. Und das zeigt irgendwas mit diesem Nervengas, das gestohlen wurde in Episode 1. Und das haben wir uns genauer an.
Fresh injection site. That doesn't look like blood.
Nein, mit Blut sieht es nicht aus.
Her veins. Still visible beneath her skin.
Ja.
Alfred, I think I found the substance. Analyze and forward me the result.
Was?
Of course. I'll be in touch as soon as I have the results.
Yep. So, ich switch um auf Facecam. Denn
Mr. Wayne?
Das tut sie so als...
What's going on? Oh, but I got this awful feeling something terrible happened.
Sergeant, you have to think. What do you remember?
Oh, God. Falcone. I was hoping it wasn't real.
I believe you were drugged, Sergeant.
It would explain a lot. Listen, you have to believe me. I talked big about hurting thugs like Falcone, but I would never betray the lieutenant. Everything is so foggy. I remember a sharp pain.
There's an injection site on your neck.
Then I just felt light. Like I could do whatever I wanted. No guilt, no consequence. There was a voice in my ear insisting Falcone was gonna get off. And all I knew was that I had to stop that. I had to, no matter what. The reasons why I shouldn't, they were a million miles away.
Did you see a face? Could you ID a suspect?
I don't think so.
You must remember some detail. Try.
I remember a hand on my arm, guiding me like a parent with a child. The voice, it was saying something about revolution.
Being green.
Cobblepot said something similar.
I'm so sorry, Lieutenant. I've let you down.
We stalled Falcone's lawyers for now, but they'll be back. So how is she? Did she tell you anything?
Yeah, hey, don't worry about that now.
I found evidence that she was drugged. A fresh injection site on her neck.
I was out of my mind, Lieutenant. Please believe me.
Hey, I do. Of course I do. Hey, get forensics in here. Now!
She remembers a voice saying something about revolution.
That's not much to go on.
Now, if you're bringing forensics in, let's get Bruce out.
Alfred, I gotta get back to the manor. I've got a lead on whoever's behind this.
Bruce!
Oh.
What are you doing here? My friends in the GCPD have been telling stories about some kind of lockdown?
I'm sorry, Vicky. I don't have time.
Don't brush me off.
Und dann komm mit.
Word is there were shots fired near where Falcone was being held. Know anything about that? I mean, you must have been back there when it happened.
Where did you get that?
So it's true?
No, I didn't say that.
Listen, I owe you for those files on Falcone. I got a lot of credit at the Gazette for that story. Whatever's going on here, you can't afford to be associated with it. Let me help you. I can keep your name out of whatever we print, but you need to give me something I can use. Who fired the shots? A cop? I can tell by the way you're brushing me off that something happened. Just give me something to run with.
Ja, komm.
A police sergeant, Renee Montoya.
Wait, Sergeant Montoya?
You didn't get this from me.
Ich mag irgendwie diese Wiki. Ich weiß nicht wieso, aber ich mag sie irgendwie. Und darum fand ich sag's hier. Was für eine Rampe.
Either Cobblepot drugged Montoya himself or someone else is using his revolutionary rhetoric. Either way, I need to find him. Let's put our drones in the air and start a search. I'll run a trace on his cell. In the meantime, we have to find out what we can do about this drug.
The computer's been analyzing the chemicals from Montoya's bloodstream.
Throw that up on the monitor. The residue I scan on Montoya is similar to the nerve agent I found at the docks. Let's see what we got.
It's ironic that Falcone died at the hands of someone drugged with his chemicals. Who'd have guessed that's how he'd meet his maker? Prone in his sickbed, surrounded by police who were ordered to protect him.
Murder at the hands of Montoya. That's not justice.
Whoever did this was judge, jury, and executioner. No one should act as all three. I hope he told you something before he was killed. What did you learn from him?
Practically family, he said.
Family? Funny, I don't recall any Sunday dinners with the mob.
It wasn't Falcone who called the hit.
Yes, well, I suppose that makes sense. Your father, Hill, and Falcone would have balanced each other out.
Computers pinpointed reference points on the two compounds.
Was muss ich denn jetzt?
This refined drug is like a weapon. It only took a small injection to strip Montoya of her moral filters and make her act on her base impulses.
So. Ach so, ich kann jetzt
The
nur
men
die
at the
Proben
docks were
anschauen.
doused with the base chemicals. The reaction was messy. They were out of control.
Okay, das heißt, die
Both
Chemie...
compounds seem stable, but they're quick to fall apart. Whoever processed it knew what they were doing.
What could the creators of such a drug possibly have in mind? Fighting your wars is one thing, but drugging others to fight them for you...
With this drug, they can exploit anyone's baser impulses. The things they would otherwise control.
Your drones are in position to triangulate Cobblepot's location.
Oh, da ist die Drohne, cool. Ich nutze mal die Drohne. Was drücke, wenn du... Ach so. Ja, da.
Find her! Find her now! Send a strong message.
Man legt sich nicht mit dem Pinguin. Man legt sich nicht mit dem Pinguin an.
Bring me her head!
Da geht's um Catwoman. Ich weiß nicht wieso, aber...
You'll be alright. You're right.
Was? Skyline Club?
The Skyline Club?
Ach so.
Jesus, didn't even wait for Falcone's body to get cold, did you, Oz?
Going to speak with him, Bruce?
Bruce Wayne already tried talking with Cobblepot. It's time he met the Batman.
Das ist richtig. Und wir dürfen das erste Mal in dieser Episode Batman spielen. Yay! Im Skyline Club zurück. Wir kennen diesen Ort und er hat eigentlich nichts Positives in den Gedanken.
Come on, I know there's gotta be more around here. The man probably had millions in his sock drawer. If Falcone finds out I helped you, he'll kill me. Your boss won't be doing much of anything. Ever again.
Definitiv. Der Pinguin war's. Oh Mann. Scheiße.
You lot, come
Ich
check
habe
out
die
this
Steuerung
house.
nicht mehr so im Griff.
Where is it? I don't know. Please, this is name's Pete. You can help me.
Oh,
Let him go.
Batman! It's about time. You kill a crime boss, you'd expect a word of thanks from Gotham's #1 vigilante. Oh, don't worry, I'll pass your gratitude on to those who made it happen.
I said let him go.
You hear that, Roland? That sounded like an order.
I'll crush him.
Now, have a little respect for the Bat. Think he underestimates you.
so,
Is this
glaubst
about
du?
Falcone? We all saw how you felt about Falcone. Impaling a man on live TV. If you were truly the defender of this city, you'd have finished the job yourself. Admit it, Falcone deserved to die. Vermin like Falcone, they deserve to be stomped out. Believe me, I know.
Bist du weit gekommen?
You don't decide who lives and who dies. That's not justice.
But it's bloody well satisfying, isn't it? As a show of good faith, I'm gonna let this one go. How's about we talk this through? We helped you with Falcone. Now, if we could just cut out the rest of the rot, like Wayne and Hill, ordinary folks might be able to breathe.
What is it about this place that attracts criminal scum like you? What does Bruce Wayne have to do with this?
Pretty Boy's got himself a fat bank account, thanks to his parents. Only problem is, they took that money from people that couldn't fight back. Here's the thing. I actually admire you, Batman. We both want the same kinds of things. Me and my people, we've got big plans for Gotham.
They found Catwoman. What do you want with her?
We had a deal. She didn't make good on it. So sorry this didn't work out, mate. I'd stay to watch. I would, but I still got a Catwoman problem to deal with. Oh, what's her name again?
Selina.
Yes! Oh, beautiful name.
Scheiße. Ja komm, übertreib doch. Warum zusammen? Ah, nee, das ist ja jetzt... Das ist jetzt übertrieben, ne? Also... So. Ich muss die Steuerung wieder zuerst mal... Ich muss die Steuerung erstmal wieder...
Gonna have to try harder than this.
Ja. Wow, Scheiße, dreh dich um. Ja klar. Ja. Reicht bis dahin, ne? Na, wo ist er denn? Na, wo ist er denn? Wo sind denn alle hin?
Alfred, track down Selina Kyle.
I'll find her right away.
Das ist gut, dann gibst du mir Bescheid, wo sie ist. Ja, Kampfszene war jetzt ein bisschen chaotisch. Aber ich habe echt die Steuerung nicht mehr so im Griff. Ich weiß nicht warum. Irgendwie muss ich mit dir reden. Dringend. Check. Keine Umhänge, wäre aber praktischer für dich. Vielleicht aber auch sicherer für mich. Skyline Club. Ja. Ach so. Urheberrechte lassen grüßen. So, erstmal umschauen hier.
A new twist in the race for the mayor's office as Harvey Dentbacker Bruce Wayne comes under fire for alleged corruption. Joining me live is Mayor Hamilton Hill. Mr. Mayor, you said earlier today that in light of the allegations against him, Bruce Wayne should distance himself from Dent, but that was unlikely to happen. Why?
He strikes me as, well, the jealous sort. Very possessive of his toys.
Better keep a low profile.
Also das habe ich jetzt nicht ganz verstanden. Es wäre besser, wenn ich nicht mehr...
The cops raided his house. Sorry, his manor.
Ah ja.
Didn't you see the game here, asshole? Are you blind or something?
My bad, I'm not looking for trouble.
It looks like it found you.
Lass uns spielen.
Wait a minute, I know you. You're that rich dude. You're that guy on the news.
Yeah, I get that all the time. It's something about the chin.
You think I'm dumb?
Bruce, stop stirring up the natives and buy me a drink.
Wait, what? This guy's with you?
Face it, Frank, you suck at pool. Why are you starting trouble over it? Nice one, Bruce. Way to keep a low profile.
Selina, I need to tell you something important.
Better be an apology. You were supposed to take care of our mutual problem. Instead, you just pissed him off.
Well, I've met a couple of his goons myself. Your client isn't one for subtlety. The man who hired you, his name is Oswald Cobblepot.
Never heard of him.
He goes by Penguin.
Penguin? Shit. Ugh, you've got to be kidding me. You should have just killed me on that rooftop. I'm dead anyway. When you screw someone over, you really screw them. The Penguin.
Penguin can't take on both of us, and I'm not going anywhere. Clearly you know something about him.
I only know him by reputation. I'm surprised you never heard of him. He's a big deal across the pond. He's more dangerous than you think. You don't know what you're getting into.
I grew up with Oz. He's the first real friend I ever had.
I'm not surprised. Questionable morals and a penchant for theatrics. You two have a lot in common.
Naja.
The question is, why Gotham? Why now? It's not like he's hurting for crime syndicates abroad. Why leave that?
He thinks he's changing the world for the better, no matter the cost.
Well, he's no Joan of Arc, that's for sure. Well, I'm not sticking around here to find out.
Oswald, Penguin is about to unleash God knows what on the city. You can't just leave.
A good reason not to be here when he does. You want to stay? That's your choice.
I need you, Selina.
That right?
If Penguin is as deadly as you say, I need all the help I can get.
Bruce, Sweetie, the gallant knight thing, it really is adorable. But what would Harvey think? The two of us, working together? After all, I'm not really an all work and no play kind of girl. Harvey knows that.
Keep Harvey out of this. The less he knows, the safer he'll be.
I'm sure his safety is your paramount concern. You and I...
Okay, hier sind sie. Ja, tu nicht so, als würdest du telefonieren.
Well, Bruce, you were right.
Selena Kyle, Penguin says hello. Beat it. We're here for her.
Ja, ja.
If you care about your own skin, you'll get the hell out.
Gentlemen, please. Sit. Have a drink. Let's work this out like civilized people.
We're done talking.
Na, 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 na. Ja, komm nur her. Ah, ich hab Kuh nicht getroffen. Wow. Nice, Selina. Auch ein schöner Name, echt. Ja, ja. Verteidigen und auf den Tisch. Was? Verteidigen. Und jetzt? Auf den Tisch, wieder Tisch. Bam. Aua. Hast du es? Jo, gut. Manchmal muss man einfach brutal sein. Vor allem... What? Nice. You and me and you.
I
For
think
the
they want
biggest
more.
war.
Then let's give it to him.
Macht gerade Spaß. Ups. Ja, ja. Danke. Jetzt kann ich hier einstehen. Oh, oh. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Was? Wow! Alter Schwede! Alter Schwede!
You fight pretty good. For such a pretty boy.
Ja, du auch, für so eine gut aussehende Frau. Oh oh. The police. Tasche durchsuchen, Handy mitnehmen.
Come on, this way.
Ja, wieso? Also mit Catwoman hat man immer so Stressfunktionen, ne? Immer rennen. Zack, 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 zack. Actionreich diese Szene hier.
Quick, check the alleyway.
Überprüft die Gassen. Keine da. Nein.
Negative. Let's check the other side.
Yep. Untersuchen die Gassen wirklich sehr gründlich, ne?
Are we alone?
Sind wir allein?
Yeah, we're alone.
Frauen sind immer so gemein. Ja.
Let's get out of here.
Ich wusste, dass es nicht funktioniert.
I'll take the rooftops. You take the alley.
Wait.
Ja, und
Yes or no, will you help me stop Penguin?
I'm gonna say maybe, but only because he's trying to kill me.
Pretty good reason to say yes.
You shouldn't
Ja.
trust me, you know.
Die hat ihre Spielereien auch immer dabei, ne? Unglaublich.
Alfred, I'm uploading the contents of a smartphone to the back computer. Check to see if there's anything on the phone we can use.
So, das machen wir noch.
Processing it now. Is everything all right? There are quite a few police cars convening on your location.
It's fine. Has the back computer found anything yet?
Bruce, there are a number of messages here. All from Mayor Hill.
Mayor Hill?
The last voicemail is his. Listen to this.
I gave you everything I have on Wayne. I've held up my end of the bargain, and I expect you to do the same.
This is very shady indeed. Whatever they're talking about, it doesn't sound good.
Ich habe mich falsch verstanden.
I should have guessed. Hill's working with Penguin. If Hill's talking to Penguin, he must know something. It's time I paid him a visit.
I agree. The mayor must have answers, but if I may offer a word of advice. The whole world was horrified at what Batman did to Falcone. You terrorized the mayor too. You could lose Gotham's goodwill completely. Then again, Batman's methods would certainly get him talking immediately. Bruce would have to depend on his guile to loosen Hill's lips.
Was nehmen wir? Als Bruce Wayne oder als Batman? Die Entscheidung werden wir in der nächsten Folge sehen. Bis dahin, bleibt tapfer. Tschüss.